everyone, my name is Stephanie Weil. I'm the CEO of the Miss South Africa organization, and I'm here to take you through our frequently asked questions and eligibility requirements for Miss South Africa 2021. So, at the Miss South Africa organization, we focus on the age group of 20 to 28 years old. That is in line with international standards. However, in some competitions, they allow you to be 18. For us, at the Miss South Africa organization, we feel that a woman in her 20s has already started to face her power and embrace her future. So we feel that that would be the appropriate age to start the entry process. So this is a big change we've made this year to the Miss South Africa organization's eligibility requirements. You do not need a degree or MATRIC qualification or anything of the sort going into Miss South Africa this year. The answer to that is no. It is totally up to you. I think all of us in our lives should be paying it forward in some way or another, but it's definitely not a requirement. You absolutely can, and we welcome you back. So the answer is you do not need a driver's license to enter Miss South Africa. However, part of the prize package is to drive a luxury car for your year of reign. So with that being said, by the time you win, should you not have a driver's license, we will help you on your way to getting your valid driver's license. Of course you can. We welcome you. We can't wait to see you. We hope we get to be part of your wedding in the future too. However, internationally, it requires us to ensure that you're not married by the time you compete internationally. However, on your return, if you choose to get married as the winner, you're more than welcome to. It's in the name, Miss South Africa. We do require you to be a South African citizen. However, you can hold dual citizenship. We just require to see proof of both citizenships. Miss South Africa is very consciously aware of the LGBTQIA+ community. I myself belong to that community. For me, transitioning is a huge undertaking, and we are so supportive of any trans member of the LGBTQ community, and we would embrace a member to be part of our journey this year. As per international requirements, we do require that you hold a South African ID document that has your gender as female. So you can be a legal guardian to a child. In order to be eligible to compete internationally, the applicant cannot be pregnant, have given birth to, or parented a child. Now, the Miss South Africa organization is actively reviewing this requirement in the context of the international competitions, and we really hope to bring meaningful change to the pageant. There are no restrictions in this regard, so you can have tattoos and piercings. No, there are not. We encourage you to be who you are. Your innate, beautiful self, your authentic self is what we're looking for. So we have done these how-to videos to really help you along your way. I think that with anything, like going into any job, into any career, whatever you're going to do, you've got to do a little bit of research. And I think that's really important. Know what you're getting yourself into. Know what you need to do. And make sure you bring 100% of yourself all the time. No, you don't. We have a team of experts who will help you on your way, should you make it to the next round. Please don't quit your job to enter Miss South Africa. We as the organization, should you make it further in the competition, will facilitate anything with your employer to ensure that there is no unnecessary time taken off and you can still continue with your career or studying goals. You need to make no financial investment. The investment you make is in yourself. You believe in yourself, and that will get you all the way. Should you be selected to go with us through the journey of Miss South Africa 2021, we can't give you exact dates, they would still be confirmed, but I would recommend trying to make yourself available for the months of July, August, September, and October.